Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration, and here we got the notifications bottom panel. Just to mute the notifications we should swipe this blue dot to the left side, but as can you see we can just unmute their notifications by this way, right? So we'll go by the second way. Just we'll scroll here to the notification sound, click here allow, and just select your switch your current notification sound to the none, and by this way we will mute all your notifications, but you will stay also with ringtones, because if you will turn on the silent mode just by turn on the silent mode, you'll mute and your ringtones and notifications together. But if we'll turn off the silent mode and we'll just mute the notification sound, so we'll mute all notifications in this case. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.